right there used to be two little office buildings, one with a GNS, one with a rotary, and now they're gone, so that's really sad. But we still have this in here, and I've filmed it before, but I want to get a retake because I haven't filmed it on the new phone, so I want to get an HD video of it. This is at 480 Elm Place. This building is delightfully 60s. There's the elevator. I want to go up a floor just to show you what it looks like in the lobby. Look at that. Very, very awesome. Let's give it a ride. Here it is. Oh, hold up. Now this thing's just awesome. Now, I'm not sure if this is an ESCO GNS or a rotary GNS, but I think it's a rotary GNS. There's your panel. We're gonna go down to G. There's no floor indicator, unfortunately. All right, up to 2. Look out here. Very nice, very nice. Here's a view out the window. All right, back down. Very cool. All right, back down to G. I love old GNSs. All right, and that's gonna be it. Elevator closes up. You know what? Just to hear it, let's hear the motor. Listen to the motor. I reckon it's in there. Hmm.